The story that we are following now very closely is coming in from the state of Bihar. There are signs that there is a sheet-sharing tussle that is now taking place within the NDA. The BJP has released the first list of 71 candidates. Key names are now including both the Deputy Chief Minister Samrat Chaudhary from Tarapur and Vijay Sinha from Lakhisarai. HAM has also announced 6 candidates, all set to join NDA's poll push. The CPI-ML has actually withdrawn the 18 names and the alliance is still in a dilly-dallying state. On the Mahagathbandhan front, it's the Congress and the RJD. The talks at the moment are inconclusive. There is no clarity yet on who will fight on how many seats. This friction over key constituencies continues to delay a final deal. Jan Swaraj Chief Prashant Kishore will not be contesting from the RJD stronghold of Raghopur. His party has fielded Chanchal Singh instead.
हाँ, सारा चीज़ हो गया, सब सौहार्दपूर्ण हो गया जैसा देखे हैं। हम लोग ने ट्वीट भी किया है और हम समझते हैं कि एनडीए इंटैक्ट है और हम लोग सब मिल करके बिहार में विकास की सरकार बनाएंगे।
मुख्यमंत्री नीतीश कुमार के नाराज होने की बातें चल रही है कि वो सीटों को लेकर के जो बंटवारा हुआ
ऐसा सुना है, लेकिन इसकी जानकारी नहीं है हमारे पास और हम समझते हैं कि ये सब चलता रहता है गठबंधन में, नाराज होना, अपनी बातों को रखना, लेकिन अंततः आप देखेंगे सब चीज़ सामान्य है और सम्मानजनक तरीके से हम सब काम करेंगे।
What we are seeing at the moment in the state of Bihar, seats, strategies and simmering tensions. Now Bihar's poll battle is heating up. The alliance cracks are showing. Both the NDA as well as the Mahagathbandhan, they are juggling numbers and egos. As the poll day is approaching, the real contest may actually lie within the alliances themselves. Take a look at this report.
Seats, strife and suspense. That is a story brewing in Bihar as election season heats up. The BJP has released its first list of 71 candidates for the assembly polls. Among the key names, Deputy Chief Ministers Samrat Chaudhary and Vijay Kumar Sinha are contesting from Tarapur and Lakhisarai respectively. BJP's list also reflects a careful caste balance: 20 OBCs, 11 from extremely backward classes, 6 SC/STs candidates and 9 women. Upper castes too find place, with 11 Bhumihars, 15 Rajputs, 7 Brahmins and 1 Kayasth. Not everyone made the cut. BJP dropped senior leaders including former Agriculture Minister Amrendra Pratap Singh, Speaker Nand Kishore Yadav and Kumarar MLA Arjun Sinha, signaling a reshuffle within.
कहीं कुछ नाखुशी नहीं है, सबने एक साथ उम्मीदवारों की घोषणा की, सिंबल देना शुरू किया, सबने सोशल मीडिया पर पोस्ट भी किया सारे नेताओं ने, तो हमारे यहाँ कहीं कंफ्यूजन की स्थिति नहीं है.
But what is fueling more heat is the seat-sharing formula within the NDA. As per the seat-sharing deal, BJP and JDU will contest 101 seats each, while Chirag Paswan's LJP has been given 29 and 6 each to HAM and Upender Kushwaha's RLM. This arithmetic has made some key takeaways crystal clear. For the first time since their alliance began, JDU has ceded the big brother position and is now on equal footing with the BJP. Moreover, Chirag Paswan's growing clout means JDU's preeminence is under renewed scrutiny. Sources say he's being seen as the BJP's new Dalit face in Bihar. The LJP leader's significant seat share thus sends a clear message.
हमारा गठबंधन बीजेपी से है, फ्रैंकली हमारे उनके बीच में मतभेद नहीं है. बाकी एलजेपी, हम और कुशवाहा जी की पार्टी की सीटों की तालमेल बीजेपी के साथ है, and hopefully they are doing it.
HAM chief Jitin Ram Manjhi has also released the party's first list, while biting down unhappiness over being allotted just 6 seats. But it is not just the NDA facing friction. The Congress-RJD alliance is also caught in a tug of war. Congress is demanding 61 to 63 seats, but RJD has refused to part with a few key constituencies including Kahalgaon, Narkatiyaganj and Warisaliganj. Earlier, multiple RJD candidates were called to Rabri Devi's residence and handed party symbols right in the middle of Congress RJD negotiations in Delhi. Sources say the Congress is upset, claiming it was sidelined while candidates were finalized in Patna.
ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है, अभी कोई विलम्ब नहीं हुआ है, अभी हम लोग की बैठक है, बराबर बातचीत होती रही है, सब कुछ ठीक है।
CPI-ML has also withdrawn the first list of candidates amid Mahagathbandhan's seat-sharing delay. With just weeks to go, Bihar's alliances remain shaky, strategies unclear and egos on edge. One thing is for sure, this election won't just be fought in constituencies, but also within alliances themselves. With Rohit Singh and Shashi Bhushan, Bureau Report, India Today.